Welcome to Capital. In this video, we will see how to add your trading account to MetaTrader 5 using your mobile device. First, you need to download the MT5 app from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you are using an Android device, launch the MT5 app. Now open the side menu and tap Get Started if you don't have any accounts added yet. Next, tap the plus icon and enter Capital LLC into the search bar, then select it. Enter your login ID, which you can find in your portal, and your password, which is the same as your portal password. Finally, hit Login, and that's it. Your trading account has now been added successfully to the Accounts tab. If you're using an iPhone device, launch the MT5 app. Now navigate to the Setting tab and select New Account. Next, enter Capital LLC into the search bar, then select it. Enter your login ID and password, then hit Sign In. And that's it. Your trading account has been added successfully. Trade like a pro with Capital.